Right, this is number 2010 Shop Eye channel. We are here at North Caspersveld. Mamelodi Sundowns lost to Cape Town City, and this was their first lose after 30 games. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Mr. Ngovesh, the game of today,
Mixed feelings.
yeah, we didn't show much hunger. Okay, I guess the boys are tired, but that's not an excuse. We wanted to win because every game is very much important, you know. So, yeah, I'm not happy about the lose, but I'm happy that we won the league.
You won the league, ne? So how do you feel about, how can you sum up the season, you know, from the day one until today?
No, it was a really great season. Yeah, we just made mistakes then there that we need to learn from, but I believe if we can fix certain mistakes, then everything is fine.
No, wonderful. Who was your man of the match today?
Darren Kidd.
Darren Kidd, ne? Yeah, I know him. Darren Kidd knows. He's got he had the clean sheet and all that, but yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.